Actually, let's rewind for a bit, because I want to make sure that you know exactly what I want. Now, do you know why you are here? Good. Your golden path.
Ajay Ghale. My name is Sabal. I'm with the Golden Path.
Golden Path?
We're friends. I knew your father. We're here to rescue you, son of Mohan.
What about Darpan?
You are our priority. We need to get you out of here safely, no matter the cost. Darpan would understand. Now stay close.
So how do you know?
Shit, they know we're here. The door! Quickly! Ajay, when these doors open, I need you to keep your head down and make a run for the truck. Move as fast as you can. Understand?
Yeah, I got it.
1, 2, 3!
Okay, here we go. What the hell?
There's a gun underneath the dashboard! Use it! Whoa!
Are we safe?
Probably not. On your right! Shoot! Them!
Fucking hell!
Watch out! I'm gonna kill you! Right! Hold on!
If you're hearing this, respond. Ajay Ghale, respond, please.
Hello?
Thank you. This is Sabal. Where are you?
I don't know. Fuck. The driver's dead.
Okay, listen to me. Look around. You should be able to see a tower nearby. I need you to make your way there. I'm on my way to secure it now.
Head to the tower. Okay.
You can do this, Ajay.
Oi, look around! Find him! You want to tell King Min this guy is dead? Huh? No! Okay, then start looking. Check the bushes. He could be hiding there. Okay, come on out. We won't hurt you. I promise. We just want to talk to you. Come out. It'll be okay. Stay focused. This has all been just a terrible misunderstanding. Show yourself and we'll sort it all out. I am ready. Listen, it does not have to be like this. You do not have to hide.
What was that?
The longer you hide, the angrier I'll get. Come out and make things easier on yourself. What was that? Whoever you are, just call back. The radio is garbled, yaar. I can't hear a damn thing. Hello, come in. Over. What was that? I found a body. And sure. What do we do now? Killer. Show yourself, murderer. Hey, first one to kill him gets a beer.
That didn't sound
I will find you and I will kill you.
okay.
Do I really want to find this guy?
Okay.
Abe Dallo, I want the killer found. Hey, first one to kill him gets a beer. Do I really want to find this guy?
He's vanished.
Everyone keep your eyes open.
I will find you, Gale. Where are you hiding? Coward! Huh? Bear! Bear! That animal! Keep searching!
Why don't you come out, Kale?
I need a drink. Hey, Joe. Hold on!
Day is going to be different. I can feel it.
Be careful! Jaldi! Shoot that 50 feet! Reloading! Ah! Who is shooting? So no! Hey, you
RJ, my boy, are you busy? You don't mind me calling, do you? Fantastic. You really are an excellent listener. Look, no hard feelings about the crab rangoon. I know it's not to everyone's taste. But you'll be pleased to know I had the chef executed for his incompetence. Or was it his family we killed? Regardless, next time I can promise you a better spread. That's the last time I'm kidnapping a fucking TV celebrity chef.
It's an honor to meet you, son of Mohan. I'm amazed you made it all the way here on your own. Sabal is waiting for you near the tower.